Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones with a review of the C128 Scout Drone. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can easily check out the latest price and availability. The C128 Scout Drone is a state-of-the-art remote control helicopter equipped with a 1080p camera, designed for both recreational and reconnaissance purposes. With its sleek design and military-grade features, this drone stands out in the market. It offers a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly controls, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the C128 Scout Drone is its 1080p camera. This high-definition camera allows you to capture stunning aerial footage and photographs, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, family gatherings, or even just exploring your neighborhood from a new perspective. The quality of the images and videos is impressive, ensuring that you can document your experiences in vivid detail. Another key feature is its 2.4G aerial technology, which provides a stable flight experience. This frequency allows for better control and less interference, meaning you can fly the drone further without losing connection. The drone also comes equipped with a 6-axis gyro, which enhances its stability and allows for smooth maneuverability. This means you can easily perform flips, rolls, and other aerial tricks, adding a fun element to your flying experience. The C128 Scout Drone is suitable for a wide range of users. Beginners will appreciate the ease of use and the straightforward controls, while more experienced pilots will enjoy the advanced features that allow for a more dynamic flying experience. It's perfect for hobbyists looking to explore aerial photography or videography and for those who want to engage in outdoor activities like hiking or camping. Practical use cases for the C128 Scout Drone are numerous. For photographers and videographers, this drone opens up new possibilities for capturing stunning landscapes, events, or even real estate listings from unique angles. Parents can use it to film family outings or birthday parties, ensuring that every special moment is captured beautifully from above. Additionally, outdoor enthusiasts can utilize the drone for scouting locations or simply enjoying the thrill of flying. One of the most impressive aspects of this drone is its takeoff and landing capabilities. With just the push of a button, the C128 Scout Drone can take off smoothly and land gently, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. This feature is particularly helpful for beginners who may be nervous about controlling a drone during these crucial moments. The C128 Scout Drone also boasts an impressive flight time, allowing you to enjoy longer periods of flying without frequent interruptions. This means more opportunities to capture breathtaking footage and explore the skies, making it a worthy investment for anyone passionate about drones. In conclusion, the C128 Scout Drone with its 1080p camera, robust features, and user-friendly controls is a fantastic option for anyone looking to step into the world of aerial photography or simply enjoy the thrill of flying. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced pilot, this drone offers the perfect blend of functionality and fun, providing endless hours of enjoyment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.